And we begin this edition with the news break that's coming in from Himachal's Mandi town, where Section 163 has been clamped. This in the backdrop of a planned protest over illegal structure to maintain order. Heavy police deployment and barricading has been put in place. Republic has accessed an exclusive footage from Shimla where people can be seen pelting stones as well. So that's the CCTV on your clip on your screens. Two updates coming in. The first one, Section 163 that's been imposed in Mandi town in response to a planned protest. And the second, this is the CCTV clip that we've accessed. This is from Shimla, where people can be seen resorting to stone pelting during those protests which have been ongoing over illegal structure in Shimla's Sanjoli area. So this is the CCTV clip which shows how these protests seem to be taking a violent turn, with stones also being pelted by some of the miscreants. Let's go across to Lalit. He's joining us from Shimla. Lalit, this is a clincher CCTV footage which hints at how these protests are taking a violent turn. There are some miscreants who are seen pelting stones while these protests have been ongoing over illegal structure.
If you talk about the peaceful state, Shimla, on Wednesday, the way police and the protesters have a clash between each other. Now, the Shimla police have released a CCTV footage in which it has been clearly seen that the protesters are throwing stones on the police personnel. So, the way there was a tension on Wednesday, after that, Section 163 has been imposed there, but the way the protesters just thrashed away all the barricades and then moved towards the illegal building structure. Now the FIRs have been registered. Police is just trying to catch all those who have broke the law. To talk more on this, right now with us is the local MLA of Shimla, Mr. Harish Janartha. Let me take you across to him. The way the things have escalated in the past some weeks, what is the course of action of the government now? Harishji, from the past some days, there has been a lot of escalation regarding the thing of the illegal building structure. Now, how is the state government looking forward to calm down the people?
I understand it was a very unfortunate kind of an incident which happened in this town, and it happens to be my constituency. Very unfortunate that level issue. But I'm sure the government has taken it seriously, and as per the concern of law and order, things will, I think, cool down very easily, and the people concerned from different walks have been taken into confidence, and I'm sure within a day or so the municipal corporation will also take its action, and further we'll try and resolve the issue amicably.
Harishji, Harishji, yesterday the Waqf board members also met the MC commissioner. So have certain directions been given? Did you have a word with the commissioner? What is the further course of action?
Whereas it's concerned with the Waqf board and related to the application given to the commissioner, we are ready to take the decision wholeheartedly, and whatever decision is taken, we'll implement it in spirit and force. So that's a very nice gesture, and I appreciate that gesture, and this will help us to cool down the situation also. And now the commissioner will act according to the laws of the municipal corporation, and we are expecting an order from the commissioner within a day or two, and hopefully, as the Waqf board had already stepped into it, so I appreciate it. Why? Because somehow I also had a role to play in it, and I had spoken to them regarding all this issue and requesting them that help us to cool down this situation.
One thing more, the way CCTV footage have been released, do you think that certain action should be taken against those who have pelted stone, the way the clash erupted on Wednesday?
To an extent, it's my personal view. Because it was an emotional kind of a gathering, and emotionally people were attached to the religion, and they came in out there. I would like and request the government that not much strict action should be taken against the normal people who were agitating there, but the people who took the law into the hand and pelted stones and everything, which is not, I think, accepted at any cost, because you are hurting some police official from discharging their duty. Maybe you must have hurt some passerby also. There were many elderly people, ladies, children out there. You could have caused a very unfortunate and very unpleasant scene out there. They can be booked, but no normal protester should be booked. I suppose that's my view, because they have come out with an emotion, and if they were doing it peacefully and who were in a peaceful manner and who came just to express their emotions, the government should spare them.
One thing more, do you think that the people, especially in the capital, now are emotionally charged the way this whole controversy, this whole row has erupted now?
I agree there, because everyone, the religious sentiments are very strong in every person, whosoever it may be. So I suppose I cannot deny the fact that they are charged, emotionally they are charged, but they will understand the situation very soon, because they are peace-loving also.
Okay. So this was Harish Janartha, the local MLA from Shimla, very clearly saying that
Right.
the people's sentiments were really hurt, but
Yes.
the law will take its own action. Back to the studio.
All right, Lalit, we leave it at that. Let's switch focus to other news that we are tracking. This one from JNK.